The HYDAC Fluid Care team will take basic application data, survey your machines, and discuss the technical requirements of the CMX system. CMX is then installed and ready as a standalone system, but also outputs from existing sensors, systems and/or processes can also be integrated. This system is entirely scalable into a variety of industries and operation sizes. CMX allows you to benefit from HYDAC's extensive fluid engineering experience and expertise by analysing and interpreting the fluid condition data. We will then work with you to find the best way to solve any identified issues and integrate any required solutions to ensure your machine is always maintained to the highest possible standard. The benefits of the CMX system include continuous monitoring of the machinery via the condition of the fluid, demand-based planning of maintenance intervals, early detection of defects and imminent damage, avoidance of unplanned machine, plant and process downtime, increased availability, safety and productivity of systems, increased efficiency because components no longer have to last a predefined maintenance cycle, which may not fit in with their normal life. Cost savings in the course of lifecycle management. Greater understanding of your machine's processes, which allows for continuous improvement and streamlining. Greater understanding of high energy consumers in your plant. Insight to potential areas of energy wastage. Ability to highlight site, area, or even machine-specific recommendations to reduce energy consumption. Resolutions to identified issues are offered immediately to minimize any delays to restoring your system. Informed support by HYDAC is always available to ensure your systems are performing to their very best. And much more. For more information, find us online.